Hello, Professor. My name is Safwan Iqbal Shabadi, and this is my assignment 4. And my student ID is 101445157. So let me go to the assignment instruction first. So it's an individual assignment, as you have given that I must implement all the techniques that I've learned in my semester in my IPYNB file. So according to your instruction, and as you have given, choose any data set online that you like to work with. So optionally, I have choose the Keras dataset. So here is the dataset that I am going to use in my assignment, which is the Keras dataset for California housing. And here as load the dataset and worked on the California housing dataset. So I've used Google Colab here for the assignment. So first step I have done is to importing libraries, which NumPy and Pandas are for data handling, and TensorFlow, Keras for deep learning here, sklearn for preposition and splitting the data set, and finally the matplotlib for visualization and training result for visual. So second part here, I have load and repair the dataset. So I use TensorFlow built-in kind of for the California housing dataset. So I've loaded the dataset here. Afterwards, number 3 is I have splitting into train, validation, and test split here. So actually I took the training set and split it again into training and validation set using 80 to 20 ratio. So afterwards, I have used the data scaling here, where I can took the training split and split it again and training into validation set and prepared the data using standard scalar to normalize the feature values. And fifth is a noise as argumentation for tabular data. So even though the data argumentation is common in image data, I added nose to the input features to simulate the argumentation. So after that, I have a reshape for convnet here, and next step I have defined over parameterized convnet with L2 and dropout. For that, it can two conv 1D dimension layers with L2 regularization and one dense layer with 256 neuron here, and dropout layer with 50% rate to control overfitting, and the final dense layer is one neuron to predict housing prices. And afterwards, number 8 step, I have compiled the model, and I have done the training for model, where I have used I trained the model for 50 epochs, and using the argumentative training set and validated it on the validation set after each epoch. And then number 10 step here, I did the model evaluation. So after the training, I have evaluated the model here, and the test mean absolute error gives me the idea how far off on average our prediction are from the actual house prices. And after that, I have visualized the learning curve here by using plot using plot here, plotting the learning curves here. So here you can see the learning curve, and here in this assignment, I have demonstrated that data preparation and scaling, splitting into train, validation, and test set, and our data argumentation using noise, and a convolutional model with overparameterization, dropout, and L2 regularization to control overfitting, and trained the model until acceptable accuracy was achieved. So that was my assignment 4 I have done so far. And I hope you like, Professor, and thank you so much. Have a good day.